In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to equalize grids and add new cells in Wix Studio. Whether you're creating a website for a business portfolio or personal project, having a well-organized grid layout can make a huge difference in how professional and visually appealing your site looks. Grids help structure your content, making it easier for visitors to navigate and understand your message. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a firm grasp of how to create, customize, and equalize grids in Wix Studio. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Wix Studio homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Logging in ensures all your changes and updates will be saved to your account, so you can pick up where you left off anytime. Next, you'll see several login options. For simplicity, select Continue with Google. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen to securely log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix Studio workspace, where we can start editing. Now, locate the Add section option within the Wix Studio editing environment. This is one of the most important tools in your design toolkit, as it allows you to add new components and organize your site's layout. Click on Add section, and you'll see a variety of options appear. From here, browse through the available section types until you find Grid Layout. Grids are highly versatile and will give you a clean structure to work with. Once you've found it, click on Grid Layout, and it will be added to your page. The next step is to choose a grid layout that fits your design needs. Wix Studio offers a range of options, so take a moment to explore and find the one that aligns with your vision for the website. Whether you're aiming for a simple two-column look or something more dynamic, there's likely a layout that suits your project perfectly. Once you've made your choice, select it to add it to your page. Now comes the fun part, customizing the grid layout. You'll notice that the grid is divided into cells. These are the building blocks of your layout. Start adding content to each cell, whether it's text, images, videos, or any other elements you'd like to include. This is where you can truly make the design your own and tailor it to your specific needs. After you've added your content, it's time to ensure that the grid looks visually balanced. Adjust the size and spacing of the cells to equalize them. Wix Studio gives you intuitive controls to resize and align the cells, so take your time and make sure everything looks symmetrical and evenly spaced. This step is crucial for achieving a polished, professional appearance. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Once you're happy with how your grid looks and functions, click the Save button to finalize your layout. Saving frequently is always a good habit to get into when working on any project, as it ensures your progress is secure. And that's it. You've successfully added and equalized a grid layout in Wix Studio. With just a few simple steps, you've created a visually appealing structure that will enhance the overall look and functionality of your website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.